Caution before assembling. Please put the chair on flat surface when assembling. There are small components used in the construction of this product. Keep the parts out of the reach of children when assembling to avoid danger. Fix C with 4 screws F to A. Fix D with 4 screws E to B. Attention! If the holes in the backrest and back frame don't line up, pull the frame a little until the holes realign. Fix A with 4 screws G to frame B.